Skateboarding. It's more than just a sport, it's freedom on 4 wheels. But did you know that skateboarding can also be a powerful tool for improving mental health? Today, we're diving into the top ways skateboarding boosts your mind and your soul. 1. Boost confidence and self-esteem. Every trick landed is a victory. Each time you push past fear and land something new, you build confidence. Studies show that learning and progressing in skateboarding gives skaters a sense of achievement, reducing anxious feelings, and boosting self-esteem. Number 2, it releases feel-good chemicals. When you skate, your body releases endorphins. Let's define exactly what an endorphin is. Endorphins are natural chemicals produced by the body that act as pain relievers and mood boosters. Those feel-good chemicals, regular physical activity like skating has been proven to reduce symptoms of depression, lifting your mood, and making life feel a little bit lighter. There have been so many comments that I've seen that have been like, Aaron, your videos and the positivity that you push out and the passion you push into your skateboarding gave me the passion to want to start, and it got me through a difficult time in my life. These are my favorite comments to see because I know what skateboarding has done for my life, and for me to be able to share that with somebody else means everything. So if you're going through a rough time, your skateboard is there for you. No matter what, you have this board. You can go out and you can ride it and you can feel that freedom, you can feel that feeling, you can feel that awesomeness that you felt the very first time you stepped on that skateboard. Or maybe you never have stepped on a skateboard before and it's time for you to get started rolling. Number 3, it provides escapism and reduces stress. Skateboarding is an escape, a chance to leave worries behind and focus on the present moment. Skaters often describe it as a form of meditation, where the only thing that matters is the next trick or the feel of the board beneath your feet. I love this idea because when you're skateboarding, there is an element of fear. There is an element of you have got to be right there with your board in the present moment. And that is very key and it's very important. And that can pull your attention out of other things. The reason I first started skateboarding when I was a kid is, I'd have all these stresses at school, I would have some big test coming up, and then I would step onto my skateboard and all of it would go away. All of the noise in my mind and in my environment of like, are you gonna pass the test? Are you gonna fail? Are you gonna be a success? Are you gonna be a failure? Just stopped. I stepped on the skateboard, everything went quiet, and I'm just learning how to do a kickflip. It was really amazing. Number 4, skateboarding builds a supportive community. Skate parks aren't just a place to practice, they're hubs of community. Being part of a group that supports and inspires you reduces feelings of loneliness and isolation. The skate community is often a second family for many. It was very, very interesting. I grew up in this small town in Red Lodge, Montana, and when we first got the skate park built there, it was crazy because the perception of skateboarding prior to that park was that skateboarders were vandals, they were bad people, and that they were horrible, did horrible things for the community. And then the skate park goes in. And then now, all of a sudden, you have all these skaters going to the skate park and they're supporting each other. And then the town locals started going and they started seeing that. And their perception of skateboarding entirely changed in that little community. And then people started writing into the local paper and saying, I see inclusion, I see good sportsmanship, I see people helping each other at the skate park. It's interesting because skateboarding is not a team sport, so these things don't necessarily go hand in hand, but skateboarding is a hub of creative community, and you can be a positive influence to help others learn at your skate park, and that is helpful. Number 5, skateboarding helps develop resilience and perseverance. Skateboarding teaches you how to fall and get back up, literally. Every failed trick is a lesson in resilience, helping skaters build mental toughness that translates to other areas of life. There's this famous quote from an actor, and he's like, I see these kids and they're trying these tricks on the skateboards and they fall down, and I know those kids are gonna be all right. Well, it's very true. It's very true because just like in life, in skateboarding, you are going to fall down. It teaches you that it is okay to fail and you just can push through that no matter what. The perseverance that skateboarding can give you is unlike anything else. Keep it pushing, it's gonna be okay. 6, skateboarding encourages creative expression. Skateboarding is not about competition. Yes, there are skateboarding competitions, but it's really, at the end of the day, it's about self-expression. Whether you're creating new lines, inventing new tricks, or just finding your flow, skateboarding lets you be yourself. And it is important that in riding your skateboard, you do be yourself. Do the tricks that you want. Don't do the tricks that you think are cool or that somebody's gonna like. Do the tricks that you want. Add your own creative style, add your own creative flow, and be yourself. This will really, really help you in the long term. Trust me. Number 7, skateboarding improves focus and mindfulness. Landing tricks requires intense focus. In those moments, your mind isn't racing with worries. It's laser focused. Skateboarding trains you to stay present, a skill that reduces anxiety and sharpens mindfulness. You cannot be trying to land this trick that you are so terrified of doing with your attention on the conversation that you had 3 weeks ago or a month ago or whatever. The great thing about skateboarding is that you have got to be right there. You cannot be thinking about that thing, that comment that somebody wrote on your Instagram. You are laser focused on that trick, and that's the way you're gonna get it. And this can really help you mentally. It helps you stay focused and stay in the present, so keep pushing. Number 8, skateboarding provides a sense of purpose. Setting personal goals, whether it's learning a kickflip or cruising down a new path, it gives skaters a sense of purpose. Each step forward builds a feeling of accomplishment. Sometimes you have to spend days, weeks, months, or years learning that new trick and pushing forward, but every trick that you learn can be a milestone, and this helps build your self-confidence, it helps push you forward, and it goes a long way for your mental health. 9, skateboarding offers a coping mechanism for your emotions. For many, skateboarding is therapy. It's a way to channel emotions into movement, providing a healthy outlet to process those feelings. Sometimes when I'm just like going through a rough time in my life, I just get on the skateboard and I push, and sometimes it's really therapeutic for me to try and push past some level of fear to learn some new trick, push past some level of, if I do this, I'm gonna get really hurt, I'm gonna fall and I'm gonna be injured. And then I do the trick, I land it, I don't get injured, and I keep pushing forward, and I go through a level of mental stress that is unlike anything else. It's unlike anything I was ever a part of. So here I have my skateboard, and you guys have seen these videos of me going like, ah, I gotta land this trick. And then I go for it and I land it. There's no greater feeling. Keep it pushing forward. 10, skateboarding fosters freedom and joy. Above all, skateboarding is pure joy. The feeling of rolling, the wind against your face, it's a reminder to enjoy the simple things and embrace the freedom of the ride. So whether you're looking for a new hobby, a way to clear your mind, or just a reason to smile, skateboarding has your back. Grab a board, hit the streets, and see where the ride takes you, both physically and mentally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whether you're just picking up a board for the first time or you're getting right back into skateboarding. We have everything you need to learn how to ride a skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.